can be a basic to a smart costume, but the length of your trousers is important to your total look. In this video, I will demonstrate how to shorten any pairs of jeans while also keeping the original hem. So without further ado, let's begin. But before we start, mark the trousers at the point of which you would like to shorten them. In this case, the length from the crotch to the marked point is 71.5 centimeters or 28 inches. After you mark the trousers, make sure that the marks are at the same length, otherwise the trousers will be unbalanced. Then mark 1 centimeter above the previous marks. Draw a line over the upper marks and then cut. Afterwards, unpick the hem. To unpick, you can use a tool of your choice. In this example, I am using a razor blade because it is faster in my personal preference, but an unpicking tool might be easier for you. After unpicking, you mark 1 centimeter above the hem as a seam line and then cut it. When stitching, you have to make sure that the seam of the hem is over and lined up with the seam of the trousers. After stitching, fold the hem and stitch it again. The final result should look like this. If it has any hanging threads, make sure to cut them. Always remember to iron after you finish.
If this video helped you learn something, please like and subscribe for more upcoming videos in this channel. Comment down below about any future video suggestions. Click here to watch my previous video and down here to subscribe.